Hi there, my name is Fali, and today I would like to draw a small comparison between a 2010 VW CC and a Japanese car under $3,000. I was asked by a friend of mine whether it would be a good choice to go from one car to another or stick just with the car that they have. I personally haven't seen the car, so this is kind of a remote uh, situation, but let's assume that the car has had general wear and tear. The VW has 85,000 miles, and then look at the issues that the car might have at this point in time compared to what the issues might be if you went to a Japanese car under $3,000. So in summary, a Japanese car under $3,000, they're good cars, but there's going to be some issues with them, and most of that is going to be in value. They're overpriced. Under $3,000, you're probably looking at a car that's going to be a 2004 or older. Somebody might try to sell you a manual car. Somebody might try to slide you with a salvage car. Somebody might sell you a car that has some issues that they're not going to confront you with. And then the car has also been on the road for a very long time. It's going to be probably a 170, 180,000 plus mile car. Now there is low mile cars out there that are under $3,000, but they're going to be most likely salvage or rebuilt salvage, and I don't suggest either one of those. So if you're looking at the car that you have, you are coming up on some repairs. But most of these repairs are light duty. So for example, tires, brakes, coolant hoses, steering and suspension, things of that nature. Just light duty stuff that can wear out. The only major thing that you'll be running into, if you have not already, is going to be a timing belt. And timing belts are pretty important because most of the engines on the street today are interference engines. That means if the timing belt breaks, the engine breaks down and will have to be replaced, or something major will have to happen after that. Now if we're looking at this comparison, another thing that you will lose is some of the comforts that a newer car provides over an older car. So let's say, for example, over the next 100,000 miles, you might look at close to $3,000 in maintenance. But in that meantime, you'll be able to use the car and you'll be able to drive it more reliably than a Japanese car under $3,000, considering general wear and tear. Where I would make a adjustment is maybe get the car inspected, get a bill of health for the car to see what's wrong with it, and I'll be more than happy to look at this bill of health for you to see whether or not this is a car that will need those repairs or whether or not it's not an overpriced repair for the things that you do need to have done. I can almost guarantee you that any Japanese car under $3,000 will need one or all of the above. I hope that this video helped you, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me. Until then, I wish you the best of luck and take care.